How to fix low headphone volume in iOS 26. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on utilities folder. Now here click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down, click on general. Now here click on software update. You will check your software update is latest iOS 26. So if it not latest, so update your software latest. After updating, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved. So if it not solved, so increase the volume from volume up button. You will check your problem is solved. So if it not solved, so click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down, click on general. Now here scroll down, back, scroll down, click on sound and haptics. Now here scroll down to N, click on headphone safety. So turn on this button. You will increase or decrease headphone voice from here. After increasing, turn off this button and go back to home screen. So you will check your problem is solved. So if it's still not solved, so click the power button and volume down button at the time and power off the phone. After restarting, enter phone passcode. You will check your problem is solved. So if it's still not solved, so click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down, click on general, scroll down to end, click on transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset all settings, enter phone passcode, reset all setting. After click on reset all setting, it's just reset all setting, it's not clean and remove your phone memory and data. After the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can fix low headphone volume in iOS 26. Hope you like the video. Thanks for watching.